Okay. Number 21, top time for three. No good. Rebounded by Gaspi. To Maynard. Maynard with the ball. Hindi pumasok na ball number 10. Pinasa
Dapat
doon.
ulisan na yung jersey.
Sino to? Si Esteves. Esteves holding the ball and 14 seconds shot clock. Binigay ball na nakataas. Kataas pa rin. 2 points. Jersey number 10. Aro. Okay, Maynard to Suarez.
Nice one!
Okay, Francis. 2 points, Francis.
Ayan ako yung target kung may mag 3 points. Both sides.
Okay.
Wala ay! Wala ay! Wala ay! Ang bakta na na!
Buti na nakuha ni number 18. 2 points, jersey number 18. Idadis. Okay, 2 points para ni Idadis. Maynard with the ball pass to back to Maynard. Maynard pumasok, pinasa ni Gaspi back to Maynard. Attempt! Achieve na ba ni Francis 14, second shot clock.
Lagrada.
Oh, Lagrada dito siya. Maynard to Nagap. Nagap pumasok. Nagap 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, holding the ball, Mr. Esteves. Esteves, easy namin the ball, 15 seconds shot clock, pinasa doon kang Balabak to Esteves, 8 seconds to shoot, and 2 points, Esteves, 4 minutes and 10 seconds po. Okay, the ball, Mr. Maynard to Lagrada, back to Maynard. Maynard, only the ball at 13 seconds to shoot, back to Lagrada, Lagrada to Mr. Francis, back to Lagrada, at top for 3, and hindi na shoot. Rebounded by there's a foul, jersey number 18. Idadis, committed. First, first team foul,
Tigulang
was
siya,
2 minutes and
gagurog ng
15
kamot.
seconds. Ray jersey number 17, Mr. Legaspi, starting on the free throw line. 1 point, Mr. Legaspi. For the last goal, Mr. Legaspi. Okay, 1 point, our score is 6 deadlock. Okay, holding the ball, Mr. Okay, Esteves. For Mr. Amparo Javier is
Shooter yun. Di malalim.
that is 2 points, 3 points, no?
Dos.
Dos lang. 2 points lang pala. Okay, we have Lagrada to Maynard. Pass to Nagap. Muntik na nakuha ni
It's a prank.
Esteves. Esteves ang magaling for jump shot, 3 points. Mr. Esteves, 3 minutes and 15 seconds.
Tindugan.
Okay, ang dito Mr. Maynard, di ba nasa loob ka Nagap, nagmamadali siya. Back to Maynard, nakita ka basahan yan. 15 seconds shot clock to Maynard first. And now the rebounded by Mr. Chow.
Taas eh, no?
Okay, holding the ball, Mr. Esteves. Esteves. Okay, foul, jersey number
Don't touch the body.
25, Mr. Francis. First team foul. 2 minutes and 51 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock for 3. Giluwa ba dyan sa ring nakuha ni Mr. Maynard. Maynard and doon po ang bola sa NHAC. Time, 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Okay, we have here Maynard. Maynard giving the ball. Pass to Lagrada, Lagrada for 3.
Nice one. Foul. 3 points.
Asa?
Dire.
Ha?
Dire sa ato.
Okay.
Sila grada. Singgit na kay Tresto.
Okay, we have here Mr. Esteves. 14 seconds shot clock to Mr.
Effect man.
Ano good? Bola sa NHC. Okay, we have
Sakit, yung ulo ba?
Suarez holding the ball. Maynard, pass Ligaski, lumusot, at naagawan na si Shani Francis. Bola po sa team LFG.
Ay, lakaw.
Okay, Stevens to Lalapag. To Mr. Esteves. 15 seconds shot clock. Attempt for 3. Okay, nakuha ni Francis to Maynard. Maynard, gibig ng bola and pass to Naga. Naga, pumasok to line ni Gaspi. Naga po
Pasa mo na.
out of production. Nakuha ni Esteves. Esteves in the ball.
Hey!
Pushing foul, jersey number
Offensive! Nice one!
Okay, offensive foul, jersey number
Giving nga.
Katulog man sa kabuang.
Okay, Suarez. Suarez to Naga. Naga to Francis Ligaski.
Nice one!
Okay, we have Esteves. Esteves taking the ball, 45 seconds, 15 seconds shot clock.
Hey!
Okay, bola po sa
Nice
NCC.
kason!
43 seconds. Okay, we have here Suarez
Nakakuha mo sa sunog sa
to
City?
Naga, 35 seconds.
Dagan day vlogger.
15 seconds shot clock. Love it. And balang pa. Nakuha ni Francis, 14 seconds shot clock. 23 seconds.
Pasa
20
na Jason!
seconds.
Nice one!
15 seconds. 10.
May ito sa snow bebe.
5.
Nice one!
Time is over for the first quarter of this game with a score of 14.